Well, good morning, everybody. It looks like we're running into our first tech problem of the year. So I'm working on a workaround, but do what I'm about to do, see if this works, and I'm going to need somebody to contact me ASAP and tell me if it works. So when you click on Why Study Economics, apparently many of you are not seeing the PowerPoint in there. Okay? Apparently you're not. I don't know why. So scroll down to the bottom and if you do not have that down there, like the PowerPoint link down there, I'm going to have you do this because this worked for me. So, an intro to economics. If you click on, open up the resources, open this up, and then you'll see at the bottom, welcome and intro. Click on that, and when you click on that, it should download it. All right, you'll see the little download arrow. I'm going to move this over a little bit so I can show you what I mean. Okay, there we go. All right, so click on this. You see that little download there? Once you click on this, it should open it up separately as a regular PowerPoint. Okay, so it's not embedded in Schoology. Let me know how that works and do it that way for now. If it doesn't work, then I'll work on another workaround, but I'm still going to try to figure it out so we can open up the actual PowerPoint. All right, so give that a shot. Let me know ASAP if it works.